Nandun, drops it off over his shoulder para kay Aris Di Maunahan, completing the basket and the three-point
Well,
play.
alam mo, kanina, no, nung nagkaroon ng tayo ng lull, that was 3:28. Eh, pag binalikan mo to 3:31. So,
Oo nga.
mas bumilis.
So ito, 12-point lead para sa Pure Foods. James Yap umangat, walang bolang dala. Pero he saves it for Roger Yap, who slows it down. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Kirby Raimundo, laban kay Aris Di Maunahan. That is
26 seconds, eh.
so we haven't seen that. At least yung ganyang rewind yung clock and start again, no, from the point na nag-free throw. So, si Arboleda's free throws were nullified. Tapos ito naman si Ranidel Antomiro, 1 out of 2 ang pinasok niya. Got a 3-point play. At ito, nagmintis pa sa free throw. So may chance pa lumapit itong Air 21 down by 13 with 3 and 10 remaining sa laro natin. 3-point attempt si Intal. Pangatlong TM trap na handog sa inyo ni JC Intal sa ating fourth and final quarter. It's only a 10-point lead with 3 minutes remaining.
Maganda yung trapping defense. Let's see kung mababawi ni James Yap yan. Hindi.
Ito si Intal, talagang buhay na buhay sa game na ito. He got 17 in the ball game. How about 17?
Tama yan. Tama yan. Kasi kanina natanggal siya ng 2 points. 16 siya. Naging 14 and the 3-point shot. So 17 si Intal.
Hanap siya sa kampe. Arboleda checking the clock, looking at the basket. 7 seconds on the shot clock remaining. They gotta do something soon. Lean in. 3-pointer ni Arboleda. Wala yan. Ang Lanete secures the board. Tumatakbo ang Pure Foods. Pero
And he knows
Lanete
what to do. He knows what to do. Sabi niya, ano ko mali?
Oo, tama, alam mo.
Ubusin natin ng konti oras.
Ine-expect to drive all the way sila Lanete, but he proved me wrong. Pero ito, agaw. Winnie Arboleda to the basket. Sorry, miss. Para sa kanila, sa pulpas. Hindi mo now on the rebound. Mark Pingris slams it in.
That could be a dagger in the heart. That could be a dagger in the heart.
And that really hurts for the Air 21. 2 points swung the other way. Para sa kanila now down by 12 with only 2:02 remaining in the ball game. Ito, 2 minutes left. Ito ng ating outlap. 2 minutes. Ito sa inyo ng outlap maintenance free battery. Walang dagdag bawat ng tubig. Aris Di Maunahan spins around, gets the foul from Chico Lanete. And they stop the clock at 1:48. 12-point lead ang hinahabol ng Air 21. Strange turn, no? Strange turn of events dito yung nangyari. Kasi yung nangyari dun sa lull na meron tayo kanina, parang nawala ng momentum ang mga players. And of course, James Yap and Mark Pingris teaming up on. And credit Brandon Cablay also for great defense.
Oo, hinabol niya yung tira nitong si Win Arboleda.
And no free throws para kay Aris Di Maunahan. A crucial point trying to catch up. Chico Lanete crossing the timeline. Brandon Cablay, dalawang ball handler nasa loob ngayon para sa Pure Foods. 1 minute and 35 na natitira sa ating laro. Pure Foods looks like it's gonna coast sa victory. Ito si Kirby Raimundo. Jumper. At kung kailangan mo ng opensa, bahala na. Kayang-kaya. Itong si Kirby Raimundo. JC Intal, another 3. Short na kanyang attempt.
And that's it.
And James Yap cleans it up.
Yung rally nitong A21 has fizzled out. Ano? At itong Pure Foods will probably play 4 corners.
And we can safely say 7-0.
7-0.
Oo, 7-0. And itong Air21 naman.
Sumabit pa si Winnie Arboleda doon.
And so Chico Lanete has a chance to get a couple of more points. And ang best player of the game natin, ibigay na natin ngayon pa lang.
Ngayon pa lang. Alam naman natin, Peter Chun Simon, super sub, averaging 13 points. May 22 siya ngayon. Is 8 of 13 from the free throw line, from the field, and 4 of 4 from the free throw line.
So PJ Simon, ang ganda ng pinakita rito. Resting on the bench. Job well done. Pahinga ka muna. Poging-pogi. And Chico Lanete, of course, contributing sa cost nitong Pure Foods TJ Giants. Gawa ng rookie point guard daw ito, pero ang laro niya, 9 points. 9 points para sa kanya. And good defense on the opposing point guard, di ba? Ito si Baluyot, nasa loob na para sa Air 21. Aris Di Maunahan, short na kanyang 3-pointer. And that's the story of the outside shooting nitong Air 21. Kanina pa, ang daming front of the rim.
Ayun pa.
Medyo mga layup na ganyan, no chance. But he gets the foul. So babalik sa linya ngayon si Aris Di Maunahan.
Kanina wala siyang naipasok na free throws .
Ito ating Gatorade game turning point. Humahabol lang Air 21. Layup na sana.
But he
Rifle.
was challenged by Brandon Cablay.
At ito, itong miss shot, biglang si Pingris slams it in. And that's our Gatorade game turning point brought to you by Gatorade. Is it in you? And tonight, it was not in the Air 21.
Wala and Air 21 will absorb yet another loss.
At least sa second half, buddy. Kasi nung first half, ang ganda ng pinakita nila, even into the third quarter.
Wala na namang ipinasok na free throw. Itong si Aris de Maunahan doon.
And the shooting touch is not with him dito sa Coliseum. Ito si Chico Lanete. Drops ito, pang ganda ng pasa! Sayang.
Sayang yung assist
Oo, sayang yung assist. Talagang setting the table para kay Mark Pingris si Chico Lanete. And of course, as Brian Gregorio likes to do sa mga backup point guard niya. Diba? After a play, tukunin niya sa may bench, akbayan niya, sabihin niya kung anong okay na ginawa, anong hindi. Ito, free throws. Not too great for both teams. Maraming misses.
Maraming free throws na naibigay dito sa Air 21,
And more conversions, and most of that kay Arwin Santos.
Oo.
Pero Mark Pingris, sama ng release, lawlaw ang kanyang tira. Iyawan ng mga fans dito sa Coliseum.
Pinasaya mo pa, kakampi mo.
At talagang yung kantsawan mula sa bench para kay Mark Pingris. Pero good recovery.
Napatiwan ko lang kanina.
Ano ba naman kayo
Dumulas
Here's Baluyot going in for the layup. He misses. Story of the fourth quarter.
Makakascore pa si Suns.
Ayan, naka 2 points. With 16 remaining in the game, Ronnie Dale takes a 3-point attempt, and that's been his shooting all night long. Wala talaga. Hasn't been able to get over the front rim.
Si Ronnie Dale naman ang minalas ngayong gabi. Arboleda
Paalala natin, Barry, sa mga tao, 10 of the last 12 teams that went at least 6-0 to start the conference won the championship.
How about 7-0?
Yun na nga. Ano ba stats? Tanong natin kay Fidel. And time expires sa Air 1 Express. So they don't like playing on Wednesdays. Last Wednesday, pinasakar sila sa Santa Lucia. Today, they lose.
By 19 points.
Big points dito sa Pure Foods PJ Giants. Here at the Araneta Coliseum, 100-81 ang ating final score. And on behalf of my partner, Barry Pasqua, Dominic Uy, our game producer, of course, Joy Del Rey, and si Eric Reyes, ang ating courtside reporter. Ako po si Charlie Cuna. This has been the PBA on ABC. Maraming salamat po.